dito nagkakatalo dun sa definition ng medicine, ano? Yun sa 20% discount. So, alam natin na ayon sa RA 7432, Section 4, ang senior citizens entitled sa 20% ng gamot. Ang tanong, does this mean that only prescribed medicines are included? So that therefore, supplements, vitamins, over-the-counter drugs like paracetamol, ibuprofen are not included in the privilege. May we get a clarification, please? Sinong sasagot? DOH?
Thank you po, Madam Chair. So with regards to that, according to our Administrative Order 2012-007, this is also in line with the Republic Act IRR. The 20% discount applies to prescribed medicines, over-the-counter medicines, and as per the latest amendment of that AO, we also included vitamins and supplements.
I'm sorry, included, not included?
Included po yung vitamins and
Sa
minerals.
20%?
Yes po.
So, what are included now in the 20%? Vitamins or supplements?
Vitamins and minerals. As per the
So that means all supplements?
ang
Ang daming anti-aging at wellness ngayon.
need po na
Lahat yun
medically
sako?
prescribed.
Ha?
Medically prescribed.
Vitamins are also medically prescribed?
Yes po. For example,
So everything has to
calcium,
be medically prescribed right now?
except for over-the-counter medications.
Wait, ang dami mong except to the except to the
Okay po.
except. Umpisahan natin. Dati, lahat prescribed medicine. Hindi tayo nagkakaisa sa definition ng medicine. Aling medicine to? Talagang prescribed drugs, supplements, vitamins, over-the-counter. Alin ba?
So, all po are covered. Pero ang definition po, for example, prescribed medications, you must prescribe.
Teka, how can all be covered? No, not all are covered. Which will avail of which medicines will generate a 20% discount for the elderly? Alin?
Lahat po.
Anong
nun.
lahat? Hindi.
Yes
Kasi
po,
sabi mo lang
prescribed.
hindi. O, teka muna. Sabi mo kanina only prescribed. PhilHealth, can you help us? May idea ka ba? Sabi niya kanina only prescribed. Pero later on, sinabi naman niya na all. Alin ba talaga?
It's prescribed medications.
Just
medicines.
prescribed. Kapag sabi niya, nagpe-prescribe din ang doktor ng vitamins. O
Yes
kapag
po.
nag-prescribe ang doktor ng vitamins, okay, 20% na ulit.
Yes.
Okay, pero pag sarili na nag-vitamin C at sinisipon, hindi kasali. Tapos, supplements, hindi rin kasali. Unless prescribed by the
Unless
doctor.
prescribed by the doctor.
Pag nag-glucosamine yung doktor, okay lang o hindi? Depende lahat sa doktor. Everything depends on the doctor.
And if
At saka
they
kung
are
sobrang
prescribed-
payat at pinapainom ng, di ba may mga what do you call this? Enhanced milk and
Yes,
other
yes
products?
po. Once prescribed, yes. It should be, there should be a 20%.
Only if prescribed. So right now, you're right in saying, Dr. Domingo, that it's all medicines, vitamin supplements, ang operative is prescribed. Tama ba yan?
Yes po.
Vitamins, supplements, milk, whatever. Basta prescribed ng doktor. So kailangan ng doktor.
Madam Chair,
And the ones that are not included are whatever is not prescribed that you're taking on your own. Is that correct?
Madam Chair, I would like to add po.
Yes, doctor.
Yes po. For the over-the-counter medicines, as per our pharmacy law also, we don't require for prescription. And those automatically applies 20% as long as they
Ah.
bring the requirements.
Teka,
Booklet.
I'm lost.
Yes.
Can you come again?
So I'll be
You
reading
don't,
po.
it's over the counter, so of course you don't require a prescription.
Yes.
Therefore, what happens?
So it can also be availed of the 20%, but you need to bring the booklet, the ID, for it to be applied.
Teka, ang gulo nun. Tama ba yun? So
Madam-
20% pa rin over the counter, parang ang gulo.
Madam
Over
Chair,
the counter if what booklet?
The
Can we
sing-
just let her
purchase
finish,
booklet.
please? Doctor,
The purchase booklet.
what booklet?
Purchase booklet. This is issued po, purchase booklet issued by the OSCA.
Ah.
Madam Chair, Senator
Yes,
Revilla,
wait, who's that talking?
Senator
Hi,
Bong.
Senator Bong. Yes, Senator Bong.
Yeah.
Can we please put him on video, please? Andiyan pa pala si Senator. Okay. Yes, Senator Bong.
Yes, ma'am. Kung kasama yung supplements, ano yung sinasabi ng mga butikan na excluded ang non-therapeutic kahit prescribed? Paano yung mga gatas gaya ng Ensure?
Kaya nga nakakalito eh. At saka yung over the counter, included but not included.
Yun nga, parang kailangan ba linawin pa yan sa batas? Para
Palagay ko.
Okay,
Madam
thank
Chair, if I may be allowed.
Yes, Chairman Quijano.
The FDA, I don't know if there are FDA regular employees here, but the FDA said that kasali po yung over-the-counter
Doon.
and supplements sa 20% discount.
Kasama siya.
Kasama po.
Provided the booklet is produced as Dr.
Yes,
Domingo said.
booklet ID.
Booklet na ID. Oo.
Opo.
Okay. Kahit walang prescription yan,
Kahit
ha?
walang prescription po.
This is on record, ha? Nagkakaliwanagan tayo. Kasi alam na alam ko, yung mga elderly sa amin, pabalik-balik sa butika, ayaw ibigay yung 20% dyan. So, magkaliwanagan tayo. Okay. So, Senator Bong, we have that on record. Is there a list of the medicines or supplements? Can you make a list? Sinong gagawa niyan? DOH? Gawa ng list ng medicines over the counter, supplements, vitamins, milk. Pwede ba gumawa kayo ng parang example na listahan, sample listing?
Yes, Madam Chair. Actually, this was already brought to our attention na meron ng clarifications. In our process naman po, we will be issuing a department memorandum for clarification, and we are already coordinating with FDA
And
with the list po.
okay, so DOH will issue the memo or department order.
Yes.
And this will include with FDA an annex with an annex list.
Yes,
Is
Madam
that
Chair.
correct? Ayun, that's better for us. Okay. Are you saying a law is not necessary or kaya na ng department yan?
Technically, a law is not necessary, but it would be better po if we had a law, since this is more widely recognized by our partners,
How do
especially
you
the pharmacists.
monitor the compliance? Kasi ang dami-daming hindi sumusunod na butika. What's the grievance process? And may I know, kasi sa batas, mas mababait sina Senator Bong Revilla at yung si Senator Lapid. Gusto ko may parusa yung butika na hindi sumusunod. Kasi napakarami, laganap talaga yung hindi nagbibigay ng 20%. Di ba dapat may parusa yan, Bong? Process? How do we monitor compliance right now? DOH, PhilHealth, nagmo-monitor ba kayo sa mga sumusunod at paano ina-actionan yung mga reklamo ng ating mga seniors?
Yes,
Ang
Madam.
dami pong reklamo.
Agree po, Madam Chair. So with regards to monitoring, as per the AO, the reports for the non-compliance of the establishments are sent to the OSCA. So the senior citizen or the representative of the senior citizen will go to the Office of the Senior Citizen
Parang
Affairs.
paikot-ikot naman yon.
LG.
Nanggaling sa Federasyon ng Elderly, dadalhin sa DOH, yung DOH ibabalik sa OSCA.
Hindi po sa DOH
Ano paano yun?
pumupunta.
Pabalik-balik?
Sa LGU po, then mediation
Okay.
at the level of the LGU.
Doon muna sa LGU level,
Yes.
dadalhin sa OSCA. Pagdating sa OSCA, saan dadalhin ng OSCA?
Kapag hindi po na-resolve sa mediation, it will go to the courts.
To the court. Ang hirap naman nun.
Yes po.
Ha?
This is by according to the law. So, yun po yung current na process.
Kasi, Eto nga yung problema ko dahil hindi naman pwede gagawin ng court. Hindi ba pwedeng i-punish? Sino ba nag-accredit ng butika ng pharmaceutical? Sino nagbibigay ng permiso sa mga butika na mag-operate?
The Department of Health issues the
Kaya nga.
TO
So
license.
it's actually in the power of the DOH to suspend or even revoke their licenses to operate, isn't it? So bakit pupunta sa korte? Parang you're absconding naman on your responsibility. Kayo ang nagpermiso sa butika, pero pag hindi sumunod yung butika, hindi naman ninyo parurusahan. Hindi naman tama yun.
Madam Chair,
Can we just finish?
Yes. Madam Chair, we agree na medyo paikot-ikot nga, but we are just only following the law. So maybe
Yes.
if we will implement a new law,
Okay. So I think instead of the court, di ba mas okay na at least suspendehin muna ng DOH, gawa tayo ng grounds. At saka, I just like to understand, sa Section 7 ng batas ngayon, may penalties. Akala ko nga wala kasi wala pa akong naririnig na may pinarusahan nito. There are penalties. Those who refuse to honor first violation, imprisonment of 2 years to 6 years. Fine, 50,000. Nangyari na ba to? May nakumbik na ba sa ilalim ng batas na to? Parang walang napaparusahan. Sino dapat magkaso nito? Who's supposed to bring forth the case? Dapat aantayin ninyo yung matanda, yung OSCA, yung LGU, yung DOH. Sino magkakaso?
according to the law po, OSCA ang magpa-file ng case. OSCA.
Inaasahan nyo yung OSCA? Yes.
if I may be allowed, Madam Chair. In our joint memorandum circular 01 series of 2022, DOH, DILG, NCSC, DSWD, and 4 other agencies have agreed that in the redress mechanism, the complaint shall be filed before the OSCA. Our
Will
the
be
OSCA.
filed by the OSCA or
before
before?
the OSCA, the senior citizen complains, and he
No,
or she
wait,
goes to
wait,
the
wait.
OSCA.
No, the complaint will originate from a member of the OSCA. Of course, it goes to the OSCA.
The OSCA, ma'am, is a government agency under the office of the mayor. The
Yes,
senior
I-
citizens
I know,
organization.
Like you, I was in an LGU for a long time and
Yes,
I
ma'am.
had EFSCA and OSCA. Ngayon, ang tinatanong ko, sino magfa-file ng kaso? You mean to say, ang magpaparusa at magpapakulong yung OSCA?
No, the complaint is filed before the OSCA, ma'am. The OSCA, being an extension of the mayor, hears the case, and therefore in this joint memorandum circular.
OSCA has the power to do that? May
Yes, ma'am.
May quasi-judicial power ang OSCA?
Ito po ang binanggit, ma'am. And then there is a grievance mechanism.
Do you think that's workable? I don't.
Well,
Knowing my
Ah.
OSCA, as overqualified as they are to be retirees, mahirapan sila niyan.
it's in here, ma'am. But in our case, what we advise the senior citizens as they complain to us, we have
Oo.
thousands of complaints.
That's
What
right.
we do is bring your case to OSCA, but furnish us copies, because if there
And
are,
then what do?
then we go to the procedure of calling the attention of the mayor. And if there are really
But
violations,
Can't all of this just go to the OH?
they're part of the joint circular, ma'am. I
Yes,
think
but it's just a circular. I don't think that's very workable, quite frankly.
well,
Mahihirapan yung OSCA niyan eh. Ang dapat, the mayor has the power to suspend, to revoke business permits,
yes, ma'am.
but so does the DOH. We should give the OSCA as many alternatives as possible. Pwede rin DOH. Kaya rin ninyo isuspend yung kanyang permit yung license. Di ba?
I would like to confirm po with our FDA representative.
Who's there?
please.
Yes po? Anybody? You want to confer with whom?
FDA.
Is there an FDA person here?
There.
Okay, so we can ask, pero aasahan ninyo yung mayor lang?
Ma'am, On
Eh
personal,
kung yung may-ari ka mag-anak ng mayor. Madalas kaya.
uh, yeah, ma'am. That's why we believe that the grievance mechanism should really be improved.
Kaya nga eh, kasi mahirap to, kaya nga ini-involve ko yung DOH. At least malayo siya sa lugar. Mahirap yung LGU.